So, hi people and welcome back to my channel. So today I am in my kitchen and I'm going to be baking. So yeah, this is the video. Let me just put the ring light on. So this is excuse the lighting. Maybe I should just bring everything. But then, indecisiveness. But yeah, hi. This is the video. I'm going to be making some Nutella brownies with not the actual real Nutella. Okay, they're so cheap, but like my dad bought this choco nut spread thing, and he actually bought it for my sister, but she doesn't want to eat it, so because I'm craving brownies, I'm going to make it. Also, I'm intermittent fasting, so I haven't eaten yet. So watch me struggle to keep my fingers out of the batter. And yeah, I can only eat at 12, so I eat from 12 and then I stop eating at 8 o'clock. Also, I'm going vegetarian for a week, so yeah. I don't really care about meat that much. I know some South Africans are like, I would never, oh my gosh. But I don't really care about the meat, so yeah. Anyway, I also excuse how this lighting is making me look horrible, but yeah, we are making brownies now. So this is a 3-ingredient brownie thing. So you need this chocolate whatever, and then flour and 2 eggs. Also, this recipe is from Tasty, so I will link it down below, but just saying it's not my own recipe. Okay, so we are back and we're gonna mix these ingredients. Okay, so I'm back and I've mixed this stuff, but I don't know if I got the correct consistency, so I'm just rewatching the video. Also, at the same time, I was watching a podcast episode by Coz. I don't know if you know the channel, but yeah, about why we choose bad boys or people that are bad for us. And so I found this very interesting, even though I've never dated a bad boy and I'm 16 years old. So I was just watching the episode out of curiosity because I love learning about human nature. Also, I hope I don't get copyrighted. This seems good. Okay. But yeah, I love learning about human nature. So if you do too, like this video, comment down below.